Hello everyone. So I went to visit my cousin and she made this beautiful, nice and soft puff puff. This is her measuring the yeast, then sugar, then water. She's mixing everything together and then she will allow it to proof for some minutes. I'm telling you, this puff puff was so nice. Now she's measuring the flour. That one was not enough. That was all about that one. Then she went ahead and carried another bag and measured about 2 or 3 cups and added to it. Now the puff has proof itself, so she's putting everything together. Now she's mixing it. This puff, as she was frying it, we were eating it immediately. Hot puff and pepper. She made some nice pepper too. The secret of every puff lies in the mixing and the temperature of your oil. So you have to mix it and make sure that it becomes smooth before you stop mixing it. If you mix a puff and it is not yet smooth, then that puff is not yet okay. So she's now just tapping it to take out some air. Taking out some air from the puff. I wish you all were there to enjoy the puff too. She makes the best puff. Whenever she makes puff, oh my God, everybody will be like, do you have some more? Do you have some more? People will eat and go for round 2, round 3, eat and see. Now she is now frying it. Look at the way she just cutting it, just entering, pap, pap. Oh my God, she's an expert though. My goodness. The way she drops the puff in the oil is so magical. My God, look at, tap. Ah, now she's frying it. Now she's trying to flip the sides of the puff. Look at how it is coming up, golden brown, the real color that you want for your puff. My God, look at how beautiful it looks. Now that one is ready. That was the first batch. It is ready now. She is just taking it out. Hot puff. Hot puff is the best puff. The best puff. You can eat it with beans, pap, or just with pepper like we did. We ate it with pepper and it was so nice. After she finished taking out the first batch of the puff, she proceeded to drop the second batch of the puff. Look at the way she's dropping it. She always makes the best puff. My goodness. Whenever she makes her puff, people will be like, what's your secret? What's your secret to making this puff? It's so nice. The second secret of every nice puff lies in the temperature of your oil. It shouldn't be too hot because if the oil is too hot, it will not cook through. Look at that. Look at that golden brown. Oh my goodness. I told you she has a magical hand in making puff. Now the second batch is ready and she's taking it out. She's taking the puff out, guys. It was so nice. As she was removing it from the fire, we were eating it hot. We ate it with pepper. You can eat it with beans or pap. Please, if you have watched up to this point, do not forget to subscribe, like and share the video. If you ever want your puff to be nice looking like this one, just watch this video to the end and then you'll get the secret of a very nice, soft, fluffy puff. Thank you all for watching and see you in another video.